Need your air duct system cleaned? Call Midwestern Carpet and Air Duct Cleaning. Using our negative air duct cleaning system and a multitude of other tools, Midwestern can properly clean your ventilation system, including the dryer vent, furnace, and we finish it off with a proper sanitization to be sure your home is breathing healthier than ever. We price per vent only, meaning that there are no surprise upcharges or gimmicks. Midwestern Carpet and Air Duct Cleaning. We don't cut corners, we clean them. Call now at 970-219-1520 to get your free estimate today.